Hey, are you tired of throwing away food that's gone bad too quickly? Meet the Food Saver, your new best friend in the kitchen. This compact and easy to use device helps you keep your food fresh for up to 5 times longer. Imagine your fruits, vegetables, and meat staying fresh and flavorful for weeks instead of days. Using the Food Saver is simple. Just place your food into one of the specially designed bags. Then you insert the open end of the bag into the machine, close the lid, and press the button. And the Food Saver does the rest, removing all the air and sealing the bag tightly. So here I'm just showing that cutting portion of the Food Saver here, and there's actually it comes with the vacuum tube. That's what that is, and I'll show you that here in a second. But you just lift the gray cutter and slice the bag. It's super easy, and it comes with the bags as well with this kit. Now sealing the bag, you just place it underneath the red bar there, and you can see the heating element in the top. And as soon as you close the bag or close the Food Saver, it goes right into action. You don't even need to press any buttons once the power's on. See, that was a nice seal that thing made. Love this thing. This is a great unit. So here we're doing some banana chips, and now to seal it, you want to keep your product, your food, out of the way of the sealing surface, but so you don't pinch it and smash it. But as soon as you close that lid, it goes right into action. There it is. If you're doing some frozen items, removing the air, the Food Saver helps prevent freezer burn and keeps your food's texture and taste intact too. So these things will last a long time. So here you could throw these in your backpack and use them for hiking. I did some trail mix too. Now here's that tube, the vacuum tube, and you can remove one of the ends if that works out better for you. Just plug that other end into the Food Saver machine there, turn the power on, and then that little button just below where we inserted the tube is what you want to push. And then you can even vacuum seal with this tube on these little Ziploc bags too. So I'm just kind of demonstrating some Keurig cups there. Thank you for watching, everybody.